Future robot may not be programmed for every job. It may download verified skills. Hi, I'm Dr. Kamrul Islam. As robot platforms become more standardized, a new idea becomes realistic. Robot skill marketplaces. Imagine a robot that needs a new warehouse skill, a lab handling skill, or a cleaning routine. Instead of writing everything from scratch, it could install a verified skill package tested for a specific robot body and environment. But this only works if skills are safe, versioned, certified, and reversible. The rise of standardized robot platforms and open robot learning ecosystems makes this direction more plausible. NVIDIA's standardized humanoid research platform work and open source robot learning efforts are both signals of a more modular robotic ecosystem. My take here, the future is not only robots with one brain, right? It is robots with skills ecosystem. But trust will be the key. A robot should not download motion skills the way a phone downloads a casual app. Every skill must respect safety. Thank you.
The bowls are of different sizes. Tables are at different heights. Object positions vary. Partial obstruction, partial obstruction.